Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn English with Nick. Today I'm going to give you an idea about conditional. For more English lessons, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Hit the bell button for notifications. Okay, let's start. Conditional. Conditionals are also called if clause. Conditionals are made using different English verb tenses. Conditional sentence contain two clauses, if clause and main clause. There are four main kinds of conditionals. Number 1, zero conditional. The zero conditional is used to refer to general truths, the present time, and the situation is real and possible. Both parts of the sentence contain simple present tense. The word if can be replaced by the word when without changing the meaning of the sentence. Example, if it rains, you need an umbrella. Another example, if you freeze water to 0 degrees, it melts. Number 2, type 1 conditional. This conditional is used to refer possibility. In type 1 conditional sentences, the if clause is in the simple present tense and the main clause is in the simple future tense. Example, if it rains, I will stay at home. Number 3, type 2 conditional. The type 2 conditional is used to refer unreal situations. These sentences are hypothetical. In type 2 conditional sentences, the if clause is in the simple past tense and the main clause is in the form would plus infinitive. Example, if it rained, you would get wet. Number 4, type 3 conditional. The type 3 conditional is used to refer the past time. The type 3 conditional is used to refer unreal past condition and was unreal. In type 3 conditional sentences, the if clause is in the past perfect tense and the main clause is in the form would have plus past participle form of the verb. Example, if I had had enough money, I would have gone to Russia. Thanks for watching.